Complete preview. On 15th of Jan 2023, IT Service Management Connector ITSMC is now certified with ServiceNow Utah version. We are certifying IT Service Management Connector ITSMC on Utah version of ServiceNow. Azure services like Log Analytics and Azure Monitor provide tools to detect, analyze, and troubleshoot issues with your Azure and non-Azure resources to enable work item integration with IT service management cards. The ITSM connector provides a bi-directional connection between Azure and ITSM tools to help track and resolve issues faster. That's the new